Typing doesn't just take time. It interrupts how ideas flow. Voice input offers a more natural way to turn ideas into text without breaking momentum. LazyTyper is a voice input application that converts speech into text in real time. According to its official website, it integrates 12 different speech recognition models, including 5 local models that can run directly on your device. This allows users to choose between local processing for privacy or online models for extended capabilities. Getting started with LazyTyper is straightforward. You download the app from the official website. The installer is lightweight, about 11 megabytes, and supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Installation only takes about a minute, and once it's complete, the app opens immediately. After launching LazyTyper, you're taken into a clean and minimal interface. From here, you can select a speech model, adjust basic settings, and start voice input with a single click. One of the most important features is support for local speech models. With local models, all voice processing happens directly on your device. This means better privacy, offline usability, and no need for an internet connection during transcription. To use a local model, you simply select it from the model list and start speaking. As you talk, your speech is converted into text in real time, with punctuation added automatically. This makes local models a practical option for daily writing, note-taking, or private work. In addition to local models, LazyTyper also supports several online speech recognition models. These models require API access and are designed for users who want advanced performance or cloud-based processing. The available online models include 11 Labs, Grok Whisper, Dubao Voice, and other supported cloud engines. Each online model has different strengths, depending on language support, speed, or technical accuracy.
Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube
LazyTyper
channel.
also includes an AI polishing function.
In today's video, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the LazyTyper software. So grab your writing material because this is going to be a long video. First, all you have to do is come over to the LazyTyper website and download the software. It's available for Chrome, for Windows user and MacBook users.
When enabled, this feature automatically improves punctuation, grammar, and sentence structure after transcription. This helps produce cleaner text and reduces the amount of manual editing needed. There are also several useful configuration options. Language settings allow you to control how multiple languages are handled. The glossary feature helps improve recognition of specific names or technical terms. And text optimization lets you decide how much the AI refines your spoken input. LazyTyper is well suited for writers, students, developers, multilingual users, and anyone who prefers hands-free text input. If voice input fits your workflow, you can download LazyTyper from the official website and explore the different models and settings available.